Hello dear students, today we are solving the ISI M.Stat 2024 sample paper. Okay, subjective 1. So suppose that two observations x1 and x2 are drawn at random from the distribution with the following probability density function is given, and determine the maximum likelihood estimator of theta in each of the following cases. So determine MLE, we need to find out theta that maximizes the MLE, so the likelihood function will be L of theta given x1 x2 is f of x1 given theta into x2 given theta. Okay. So this is where f of x given theta is the probability density function of this given structure. So the given PDF is f of x given theta is 1 by 2 theta if theta less than equal 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2 theta, sorry, only theta, and 2 theta less than equal to x less than equal to 3 theta, then it is a 0. Okay, so in these two cases and 0 otherwise. So for x1 equal to 7 and x2 equal to 9, in this case we need to find out the value of this theta that satisfied these two given conditions. Solving we get theta less than 7 and 9 and 2 theta, and theta less than equal to 9 less than equal to 2 theta. Dividing both sides by 7 we get 1 less than equal to this thing theta 7 by 2. So the MLE of this thing will give you, say, theta equal to 7 by 2. In a very similar case also we can do it 1 by theta, and that will give you theta equal to 2, and in the last case theta 5 by 2, so this will be theta equal to, in that case, 2.5. So 7 by 2, 2 and 2.5 are the three answers to this question.